I could have just put them all right here. Like literally there's so much space in this bathroom that I can have my stuff within arm's reach, but I rather struggle. What is wrong with me? What's up, y'all? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, before we get started, I want to say thank you to Tailored Beauty for gifting me with these products. I received this box and it's such a cute box, you guys. In the box, I received a sulfate-free moisturizing coconut cream shampoo. What I appreciate about the shampoo is that there is a pump. When your hands are already slippery, it's much more convenient to pump than it is to squeeze a bottle. Okay. Ooh, that smells so good. This Grow Thick oil also came inside of my package and I used it for a hot oil treatment. I let this bottle sit in hot water for a little while to warm it up, and before applying it directly onto my scalp, you saw me test to see how hot the oil was on the back of my hand. My hair felt dry after this hot oil treatment, so it's a good thing this came before conditioning. While I wait for my hot oil treatment to complete itself, I put it on 30 minutes as you just saw, and I'm gonna be mixing my colors together. I'm using the Adore French Cognac, Cinnamon, and Copper Brown. This stuff right here is not featured. The Adore products are not featured. These I bought out of pocket. So you guys know that I've used French Cognac and Copper Brown before if you have seen my how I dyed my natural hair video previously, but I have never used this cinnamon color. I'm gonna be using a mixing bowl and I'm going to be using the Tailored Beauty Coconut Cream Conditioner. Yeah, okay, this should be fine, this should be fine. So I'm going to be using about, actually, I don't know. I'll just eye it. My neck is super greasy, wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is gonna take all day. Eight, 9, 8. Wow. If I thought it through, I would have just took the cap off, but whatever. For the sake of having accurate numbers for you guys, that was about 80 pumps. Now I'm opening my French Cognac. This is what the color is looking like with just using French Cognac. I'm gonna go ahead and drop a few drops, just a few drops of this Copper Brown color in my French Cognac. We all know this is super dark. It's like red, so okay. I'm nervous. I don't want to put more than that. I really want to look like a pumpkin and I do not want to be as red as I was last time. I'm gonna go ahead and add some cinnamon in moderation. How dark is cinnamon? I can't tell. I'm scared. That was 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops, 5 drops, 4, 5. Oh, there's oil everywhere. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't feel like I see a difference. That looks really orange. I think it's safe to add a few more drops. I'm gonna go ahead and go with copper brown. 1, 2, 3. I feel like that's enough. All right, it's been 30 minutes, so I'm gonna take this cap off. The instructions on the oil say to rinse it out thoroughly, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out and apply the conditioner. Let that sit for about 20-25 minutes and then come back. My way. I gotta get you. Okay, my hand is like crazy orange, but hopefully my hair comes out this orange because I think this is a pumpkin kind of orange. So I'm gonna let it sit again for 20 to 25 minutes and then I'll be back. I still don't think this is the pumpkin color that I'm looking for. I still think it's a little more red. I have to stop going by my hand. I don't understand how my hand is the pumpkin color that I want and my hair is far from this color. That is crazy to me. You know what, if this could just be a wash and go, I'd be done, but this cannot. My hair feels dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and condition it again with the same coconut cream conditioner in my whole head, because obviously with the first time that I applied the conditioner with the colors, I only applied it to my ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this from root to ends and then let it sit and then I'll be back. Wow, this definition is wicked. I'm not much of a conditioner type of girl, but if I am gonna rave about conditioner, it definitely needs to have slip in it, and I didn't feel like that conditioner had much of it. When I slept in it overnight, it did do a really good job of bringing moisture back into my hair, so I can't down it because it did moisturize my hair really well overnight. But when it comes to detangling for my type of hair, a conditioner that has slip in it is very important because I do detangle when I do have conditioner in my hair, so being able to just run through it makes my wash day a lot quicker. Wow, these curls have already made up their mind, honey. Yes, ma'am. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. This isn't much of a tutorial because since this is my first wash day in several years, I was trying to figure it out myself. But my process was spraying my sections with aloe vera juice, applying the everything butter from root to end, finger detangling, combing through with a wide tooth comb just to catch any tangles that I may have missed, adding the curling jelly from root to ends, defining my curls with my Denman brush, and separating each curl. Apparently, this is what the naturals call the shingling method. In some of these clips, you should be able to tell which curls are 4B and which are 4C. anyway, I did this in the daytime, so I did allow for my hair to mostly air dry all day. Then I used the banding method before bed. I have a separate video already up on my channel detailing how I stretch my curls for this voluminous wash and go that you're about to witness, and I will link that down below for you just in case you are interested. In the meantime, stick around to see my final results and thoughts on the remaining products in this package. Now that I look like a little boy in a greasy grease ball, what the heck? All right, I'm gonna let this dry and I'm gonna be back when it's all dry to show you guys what it's looking like.
2 days later.
I'm not a huge fan of this. It's not gonna do anything for me, but if edge control does work for you, I would recommend something that's going to help promote hair growth. If you're dealing with your edges shedding or you just need your edges to grow back, I would definitely use something with Jamaican or Haitian castor oil. This stuff kind of stays in place, so I'm gonna have to, if I use this again, I'm gonna have to brush my hair in place before I apply the edge control. Yeah, it's really, really tough. Wow. Turning into like a liquid. Yeah, I just know this isn't gonna work, but okay, whatever. These edges will be gone in, I give it like 20 minutes. It's already getting super greasy. It's like when I'm indoors, my edges are fine when I use edge control, but that lasts for like 10 minutes. And then once the sun hits it, it turns into like this glob of oil. I don't understand, that's why edge control never works for me. And I didn't think that this would be any different. But at least I tried it. At least I tried. Wow, I can't believe my wash and go did a 360 and did this. After my very depressing first day, I'm shook. And I think today is what, day, I want to say today is day 3. I think this has been the most helpful thing that is in this little package. Every night when I band my hair, I spray my ends with these, and I feel like it's light enough for my hair to be dry the very next morning, but it's also enough to moisturize my hair, get my curls popping. I feel like my hair is still moisturized after so many days. We are still at Poppington Central, so if your train has left, then I'm sorry, sis, but this has definitely helped me get back in the game. The proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the pudding. I will also say that I feel like my hair is moisturized but low-key greasy, which I have no problem with. Some of you may have an issue with it depending on what your hair type is, but the everything butter is basically shea butter, and shea butter usually leaves my hair super greasy. So I think that this has caused that. But then again, I'm super heavy-handed, so maybe if you use less, it'll do more for you. I do not care for the fact that this is a yellow shea butter instead of the ivory shea butter. I do appreciate this curling jelly. This has been amazing. This is what has defined my curls. The consistency of this product does remind me of a gel, but it holds so well, but it doesn't leave any crunch. So you get the curls popping with this jelly, but it doesn't leave that cast that you need to break with the oil. Ooh, I get so distracted by my hair, boy. This thing looking good, boy. What am I saying? All in all, this is the first wash and go I've done in a very, very long time, and I think this is a great way to welcome me back to the wash and go crew, baby. Curls still smell amazing, my hair is still moisturized, and my curls are still popping, and the volume is just gonna get bigger. Like, what more can you ask for? I would try everything again except for this edge control. Let me just see where it's at right now. Girl, I can't. Look at this. No, ma'am. Edge controls never work for me, and I knew it. I have yet to meet a product that has outdone my Gorilla Snot, so until then, I'm gonna stay faithful to that. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.